Hey guys, David here at Finish Line Factory, and I'm here at Provident Jewelry. They're having a kind of a supercar brunch rally, and there's a whole bunch of nice stuff out here. We're going to be riding out to Lake Okeechobee in just a few hours. Before I head out, let's take a quick look at the cars that are here. All right, let's see what's here. Ferrari 430, F430. Oh, is this an AMG GTR in orange? Is this a wrap? Let's see. Yeah, it's a wrap. Looks good. Really well done. I like the contrast with the orange. Oh, fast minivan. I like the contrast with the orange and the black, especially with the GTR logo there. That looks really cool. See, there's another F430 Spider. I think this is a, oh gosh, E-Class? No, this is like a C-Class, I think. C-Class, C63 AMG perhaps. There's a McLaren 570S. Porsche Boxster. This is the Provident Jewelry McLaren 650S. It's actually owned by the owner of the jewelry store. You see it's got the watch, the clockwork from a watch. Very nice, like the brushed gold wrap. Looks like a 996 Turbo or GT3. Let me just check real quick. I think this is a GT3. Yep, GT3. Nice. It's got the roll cage in the back. And then over here, Aston Martin Vantage. Before I double back, there's a Lamborghini Aventador, Audi R8, a 991 Porsche GT3. Liking this this beautiful gold color. Audi R8 V10 from Signature Auto House. McLaren 570S. And all the way out in this corner, an orange Murcielago. Real nice. Oh, an HRE wheels, is that? Looks good. Black wheels on the orange car look real nice. All right, so let's head over to the awning over there and check out the spread. They have some croissants and eggs and other cool stuff. All right, got some eggs, you got some potatoes, bacon, egg, and cheese croissants. These are sausage, egg, and cheese biscuits. And what is more bacon, egg, and cheese? Cool. Got some scones and pastries, bananas, donuts, and other sweets. Oh, nice. OJ and coffee. Alright, so let's go check out some of the jewelry store. Oh, this is nice. You just adjust the tripod, monopod. Oh, cool. I'm not particularly familiar with jewelry, but I know some cool stuff when I see it. Damn, that's shiny. Maybe they have some nice watches here. Oh, there they are. Let's see. A Chanel authorized dealer. These are some fine timepieces. I mean, probably a bit more expensive than mine, but, you know, what am I going to do? I think this might be the supercharged one. Yes, it is. Supercharged Audi R8 V10. He's gonna go park over by the Murcielago. Listen to that V10 scream. That supercharged V10. You got a C63 coming in. C63 coupe, look at that. Hey. Oh, this is a C63S, that's right. This thing is fast. You got the Lamborghini Huracan. Very nice. Oh, looks like a whole crew is rolling in. You got the Diablo. What's up, Robbie? Huracan Spider. Yo, I think this is a rear-wheel drive model. 570 GT. A Vanquish. Hey. So a GT4, I think? Yeah. Cayman GT4. Ferrari 488. Another 570. This is gonna be a fun run. And you got Dale in the, give me that fist bump right there. Hit it, bam. Dale in the Lamborghini Gallardo.
Lake Okeechobee on our left, so we'll go all the way around and back down. It'll be 98 to, what's the other road? 440. Yeah, 98 440 combined, and then 27 on the back side of the lake.
It's like 78.
Yeah, it's very simple. You keep the lake on your left, you can't miss it. Follow the leader. They'll come.
Are we going to be able to stop to take some pictures?
Yes, there is. On the north side of the lake, there's this scenic overlook that actually pulls off and goes up over Lake Okeechobee, and it's a big long stretch. I've done there before. It's a great stop and take pictures. It's probably an hour and change after we leave here, so it's a perfect time spot. There's a gas station right near there.
All right, so driver's meeting's over. I just went ahead and I went to the gas station to fill up on gas. It was half a tank. It's a 165-mile drive, so I figured, hey, would be good to fill up. So got my car parked up here, and all of the other exotics and supercars are lining up, so we'll be going out soon. Check this out. This is a Ferrari California in a one-of-one color combination. This blue with the white, almost very light tint, kind of a cream-colored interior on the leather, with almost matching blue in the leather inserts of this. I think this seat style is called Daytona. It's a Ferrari seat style, and this is just really nice. Look at that. Ferrari sound system. It's got the double clutch transmission, carbon fiber bits. Okay, the cars are powering up. Engines are getting started, warming up. Everybody's getting ready for the run. Look at this, McLaren with the doors up.
That's what I'll do. I'll pull off straight. Yeah.
a sight for my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a soul. Now there goes a sight for my there goes a sight. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight for my soul.
So go figure, just my luck. So I was following a group and it was the wrong group and I'm separated from everyone. So I thought something was a little fishy when we started going east and Lake Okeechobee is out west. So now I'm just playing catch up at this point. Go figure. Guys, so we made a quick stop at the J&S Fish Camp. I haven't caught up to the group just yet, but this is a pretty cool bar, so I'm just gonna come by and take some quick photos of it. He's very important.
Take pictures, send them to your mama and daddy. Let everybody know. Jeff here's all the way from New York. New York! He's gonna be here 3 or 4 times a year, so y'all look for it. Y'all look for it. Hopefully we can get him down here a few times a year. He's in the big things up in New York.
All right, well that was a nice quick stop, and we're gonna keep on going. Meet up with the rest of the crew. They're probably a good bit ahead of us at the north part of the lake for I meet up with the rest of the supercars and exotics. All right, boys and girls, here's your fearless leader. And well, long story short, we are so far separated from the group that we've basically given up any chance of catching up to them. We're probably about 30 to 40 minutes away from them. So since I'm already on the west side of Lake Okeechobee, I've decided, hey, why don't I just keep going to the west coast of Florida? So I got a couple buddies over in Naples and I'm gonna go visit them and check that out. Maybe I'll stop at an exotic car dealership there and see what's out there. All right, so long story short, I'm here at Hooters in Naples, decided to just keep going and, you know, figured I've already this far west, just keep going and maybe meet up with some friends and see some cars. And came here and there's a brand new Aston Martin DB11, so let's take a look at that. Is this yours? Dude. Look at that. Hey man, is this yours?
No, it's just a rental, man.
Oh really?
It's a really cool car, though.
Oh yeah. This is cool. Where'd you rent it from? Exotic Cars?
Yeah, it's Enterprise. They do that.
Oh, nice. That's right, they do. DB11. Huh?
Quick too.
Oh yeah, V12, right?
Yeah.
Cool. Is that carbon fiber? No, it's just black splitter. Look at that. A little quiet. Hey, there might actually be like a sport mode or a sport exhaust mode if you want. Try to enable that and.
Well, I'm good with it because then the tires on this one is pretty slim.
Oh, okay.
Doing that sport mode.
No, just for the exhaust. What about S?
Yeah,
What does that do? Oh, there you go. Oh yeah, it just got louder. Yeah. Yeah, now we're talking. Oh, that sounds good. Yeah, give it a big rev.
I'm learning everything about it. I never drive one.
There you go. Yeah, it's great. Oh, that sounds beautiful. Awesome, man.
All right, dude.
Thank you. There you go.
You're all good.
Awesome. All right, well, that's pretty cool. I'm gonna head up into Hooters and get some food.
Little no thing.
Curly fries are here.
All these things. Separated. If you switch out the no truck tape.
That door is a control unit.
No trouble.